Hi, my name is Jason with FoxFury Lighting. Today we'll be taking a look at changing the batteries on our Nomad P56, T56, Prime, and 360 series. First thing I always like to do is get the unit up onto a flat level surface, laying it down horizontally, and I always take out my convenient carrying straps just to make the workplace a little bit cleaner, decluttered. Open up the leg, and here you'll see our battery compartments. Now we'll start with a Phillips #1 flathead screwdriver. You don't have to use a low-powered electric. You could use a hand screwdriver, it's just fine, but the electric's a little bit quicker. I'll go ahead and set those 4 screws aside. Can remove the battery cover now. It's one piece. And here you'll see our batteries. So in our Nomad Prime and P56 series, you'll only see one battery per battery channel. On our T56 and Nomad 360 models, you'll see 2 batteries per channel. So pay close attention to which model you have. This one, though, is a Nomad Prime, so it only has 1 battery per channel. To remove them, you'll go ahead and gently lift the battery tube up. Using the positive side, use either your fingernail or a flathead screwdriver, and you can go ahead and pry the cap free from the battery tube, and you'll see the spring contact there. On the negative side, it's a little bit easier. Just go ahead and hold the positive terminal inside the channel, and then horizontally pull, wiggle, the battery tube will come free, nice and easy for you there. Now when you're ready to put new batteries in or replace these, go ahead and take your new battery, and we'll start with the opposite now. We'll do a Nomad, we'll do the negative side first and the positive side on this Nomad. Using even pressure on the negative side, it'll slide in just like that and seat nice and properly. Same even pressure on the other side. Lift the positive terminal. Go ahead and press and wiggle. On newer tubes, it'll be a little bit more difficult, and it may seem like it want to kick out on you, but just keep it nice and firm. Set it back in the channel, and you're all set. Now take your cover, will only fit one way back onto the channel. Make sure the holes that are there line up, and you can go ahead and replace your 4 screws. The process is the same for all the remaining battery tubes, so you can do one by one. That's what I choose to do. Just again, it keeps my work area a little bit cleaner, and there's no risk of me mixing old batteries and new batteries when I'm doing the installation. So once you have all 4 screws back into the unit, you're all set to move on to the next tube. That's all there is to it. And again, this process is the same across 360s, Nomad Primes, P56, and T56 series. Thanks for watching.